Hello, my name is Zach, and I am home now. I arrived in Memphis, Tennessee last night at 8 p.m. I didn't make a video because I just don't really like making videos when I'm at the airport for some reason. It's not my comfort zone. It's not my vibe to pull out a GoPro or an iPhone and start recording, so I didn't make a video. But anyways, I'm about to take my car over to Gateway, which is like a car place, to get my oil changed. I just woke up, by the way, so sorry, my brain is still shutting back on. But yeah, I'm gonna get an oil change, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I know I want to watch Game 7 of the Boston Bruins versus St. Louis Blues. I'm hoping Blues win because Boston. Sorry. Do y'all want to see Ryder? Let's show y'all Ryder. Hey, Ryder. Hey, buddy. Don't ask me what's wrong with these dogs. They're not my dogs, so I really don't know. Good boy. What are you doing? I just dropped my car off. Now I'm gonna go get some Sonic because Sonic is awesome. Probably my top 3 fast food places in America. Chick-fil-A and Arby's are definitely on the list. Let's go. I'm not going to order here. I'm going to order here. Sonic has some of the best Coca-Cola in the world. Well, not in the world, but Sonic has the best fast food Coca-Cola. McDonald's used to, but they changed something, so Sonic now reigns supreme. Anyways, I'm waiting on my grandfather to pick me up because the wait is 3 hours to get my oil changed. So I'm gonna wait. Well, I'm not gonna wait, but my grandpa's gonna pick me up, and then yeah. Hey, Paul Dunn, stop banging that cornbread.
Oh, I'm going to church at 4, so I'm going to bring you back up here at 4.
After. You can do it after.
Huh?
Do it after.
What?
You get back at like 5:30, right?
Yeah, what time they close?
6.
What time?
6.
Okay. That'll work. Yeah, I'll get back. Yeah, I'll get back before 5:30 probably.
Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. And this is my niece Bella, and she likes to play Minecraft.
I do not.
She does.
I do not.
Don't let her fool you.
Seriously, I'm trying to play this.
What are you playing? She's playing Splatoon. It's a pretty fun game.
This is not Splatoon.
It's not?
This is Super Smash Bros. Ultimate.
See what I know.
Besides, that character isn't even from Splatoon. It's from Mario games or whatever.
I haven't played video games in like 6 years, so I really don't know.
Why am I going the wrong way?
Can I have the Coke?
No.
Please?
No.
Why not?
Okay.
Let me have it. Can I have it?
No.
But why not? Can Bella have a Coke? Can Bella have the Coke? Can I have a Coke?
No.
Can Mommy have the Coke?
No.
Why not?
No.
Oh no. I got it. Juliana. Ball. Woo!
What are you doing?
Now we're on our way to Gateway to pick my car up. My grandpa wants some popcorn from Gateway.
I sure do.
He likes popcorn.
I do.
I don't.
I do like popcorn.
I have my car back. The oil is now changed. That was an expensive oil change. It was about $55. And they gave me a discount also. So even with a discount, that was not a good price. I probably should go to Hyundai instead, the dealership. I believe it would have been $50. And they would have given me a car wash. So I know next time not to come to Gateway for oil changes. Just come to Gateway only for your tire needs, because they will rip you off on the price of oil. And yes, I did get my grandfather some popcorn from Gateway. And here he is.
Got a little bit. Thank you. Thank you. That is white of you.
Take a bite.
Good. Good. I can't find my lighter now. All right. Mighty fine. Okay.